and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set contact posters and name drop correctly on iOS 26. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to set up your contact poster on iOS 26, you need to first of all go to your contacts and tap on my card, or simply go to that particular person and then tap on edit. Once you have tapped on edit, you can simply customize to create your poster, like choose a style, a photo, a Memoji, or a monogram. You can also use your camera or a photo from your Photos app. You can now customize the photo by adjusting the size, cropping it, and customize the text. After you have done, tap on done to preview your poster. Now after creating your poster, you can simply tap on done and make sure the name and photo sharing is turned on. You can choose to share automatically and tap on the check mark at the top right to save. After you have done this, your poster will appear on the other person's phone as well, and tap your contact card to share your information. So this is how you can simply set contact poster and name drop correctly on iOS 26. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.